this is Super Jamie, Super Mom, Super Jake, and this is Super Family Fun. Super Mom, what are we making?
Okay.
Well, we're making the cake.
We are making a cake. You are right. One of my favorite dessert at Valentine's Day is chocolate-covered strawberries. So I thought we would make a strawberry cake with chocolate icing. Okay, so to save us some time, I have got a plain white cake mix. I've got us 24 ounces of thawed strawberries. They were frozen. You can find them in the frozen section. 3 egg whites, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of oil. All right?
Yep.
And then we have our 2 heart cake pans. So first things first, Super Jamie, please set our oven to 350. Okay? Now, Super Jake,
Yep.
pour in our egg whites. All right. Now, we're gonna
Can I
mix.
stir it?
Sure, you mix. All right. Then, Super Jamie, pour in our cup of water. Hold on. Now,
Wow!
we need to pour in our oil. We're not on. All right, and then next, we're gonna pour in some of our strawberries.
Yeah, can I do that?
Yes. One of the reasons I'm using a white cake mix is because it's the basic, and we know that the strawberries are really going to shine and come through all the flavor of the strawberries, so we're not going to have to worry about our cake mix interfering with our strawberries. Now, we have got, all right, hold on. We have got our 2 greased, ready to go cake pans.
Yeah.
And we picked heart shape. So what I'm going to do is it's very important to try to pour in half the mix into one pan and half the mix into the other pan. We want to try to be as fair as possible. Oh, you know what we need? A spatula. Can you get it out of the drawer for me? In the drawer. Put it in the sink. Yep. All right, come on over.
Party.
Okay.
Who's right?
All right, so here we go. Did you want it?
Yay!
Yay, but we're gonna do one more thing.
What's one more thing?
We have to drop them.
What?
Drop them?
Why? Why have we have to drop them?
That's an excellent question.
Why
When
did
you're
you let us-
making cake batter, something that can happen is air gets in. So to keep air out of, you drop it and shake it. So you shake and drop, and we shake, drop. We're gonna do it one more time. And it helps make it even. We were spreading it out before to make sure that it got in all the places of the heart. And so this just really makes sure that, that it's all spread out, our air is out. So now we are going to put these in the oven. Jamie,
Yeah.
can you open up a thing for us? These are going to need to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. There we go. We're going to let our cake do our thing. And what we're going to do here in a little bit, once the cake fluffs up, turns, the cake is not going to turn gold or brown because we put the red strawberries in it. So it's actually going to look a little gray to brown in areas. So when the cake fluffs up enough, we're going to put a cake tester in our cake to make sure that the cake is done. You want to check it in several different places to make sure that it is cooked all the way through. All right? So, we'll see you when our cakes are ready. Okay, our cakes are done. As you see, we've gotten our first one set on our pan. We're going to try to do a layer cake. So this is going to be our top layer. So first, we're going to ice this part. Okay. Okay, so we have iced our layer in between. Now we have placed our top layer. Now we're going to ice the top. Yeah. All right, we have decided to make our cake a naked cake, which means you do not ice the sides. So we ice the top, we ice the middle layer, and we're going to leave it just like that, but we're gonna add one more thing. We are gonna do some red sugar sprinkles. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're just going to take it just a little bit. And just like this, just to add a little bit of color to our chocolate strawberry fruit cake. And there you go. So, voila, chocolate covered strawberry cake. So please watch, share, like, subscribe, and
Hit that bell.
and happy Valentine's Day, and we will see you next time. Bye!